Hi, friend. This is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and this story is something which I read, and I thought this Diwali I should share it with all of you. As we are growing in this world, we are sometimes realizing that we can do everything on our own. It's good to be strong, it's beautiful to grow and show that you can do something great. But what being together, what a team can bring about together is something unimaginable. Unimaginable. This is something which is beyond, if you just listen to what I'm telling here. I read this story. This is a beautiful fable of porcupines. Porcupines are rodents. These rodents have got sharp quills or the sharp tooth structures, and they are like sharp hair or the needles, which, if anybody tries to eat them, will harm it. And once there was a very cold winter, and many of the animals were shivering and dying because of extreme cold. And that's the time when these porcupines, they decided that let's club together, let's give heat of one another with the body they touch. So they all join together and they will form a group. And then, since they are covered together, so the wind has less chance of penetrating them from different direction and killing them. And but in this process, those sharp quills that they have on their body was somehow hurting the ones they were embracing on. And so some of them realize that it is not very good to embrace it like this, and they just went in the solitude. But then the winter didn't spare it, didn't have any emotions, and they were killed. So now they had two options. One, they stay together and getting hurt with each other with the quills. Two, dying in solitude with this chilling winter. And guess what they decided? They decided, let's be together, let's have some abrasions, let's have some injuries, but let's survive. And that's the beauty of the world. What is a good team? What is a good group? What is a good family? What is a good group of friends? They are not aligned by perfections, they are not aligned by achievements, but they are the people who understand for a bigger cause. It is okay to tolerate the beautiful differences that we all are born with, the shortcomings of a human being, or whatever things we don't have. And if we gel together, there might be times we might have wounds on each other. But finally, as a team, we will survive and we will not die in the solitude. So this option is always there. अकेले खड़े होके उड़ जाओ या सबके साथ मिल के बच जाओ. And this is the moral, and this is what I pray, that all of us learn to live with happiness, with the warmth surrounding each other, and never embrace a solitude that kills us. There is always a better side, and the better side is not the one that gives you more, is the one that everybody achieves more together. The power of a word called as team. Together, everyone achieve more. And this is what you should remember. Embrace each other. There'll be subtle differences. There'll be difference of opinions. But finally, you will live a better quality of life, which is more peaceful, more victorious. Happy Diwali from me and my entire team. Thank you very much.